What's up everybody? Well, let's go get some parts for the 2016 Chevy Equinox build. Well, it's a Saturday morning, early morning, so I'm not that hyped up. But look at that. Look at how beautiful outside is. But it's 39 degrees. It's cold. I mean, it's not that cold, but from 100 degrees to 39 or 80 degrees to 39, yeah, that's cold. Well, we got a long road ahead. Let's go drive it. Or let's go get it. Well, guys, join me. Look at this beautiful sunset, people. Gorgeous. Well, if you guys hate Kansas or doesn't want to live here, well, take a good look at it. Yeah, obviously there's nothing there here. But it's pretty, right? It's awesome. It's a 1 hour drive and I'm loving every goddamn bit of it. Well guys, look how beautiful it is. Well, ever wonders where's all the cars come to die? It's right here. Look at this place. Crazy. Ah, look at that. There's Honda HR CRV. Wow. Boom. Yeah, it's a good collection. It's a Dodge Journey. So we're looking for Equinox and I see it. I found turtles here. I found a lot of stuff here. That's the bad boy we need. We got this bumper. The part I want. Is pretty fucked up. Look at it though, beautiful. Well guys, let's see what we can get from this guy. Alright guys, so finally got our stuff. Look at how beautiful this gravel road is. I was gonna record the mud pit at the salvage yard, but he have to get the loader, so I have to didn't have the time to record it. Sorry, I'm kind of a mess as well. So it's a nice time, right? This is the life. Look at off-roading. Beautiful, beautiful. Come to Kansas, guys. You're guys gonna love Kansas. And we have, whoa! You guys can see I'm going freaking 40 miles per hour on this goddamn gravel road. I drove a 40 miles per hour in a Ford Focus and I end up in the ditch, but this guy just doesn't even care. I just honk, so oh, this is the part I want you guys to see. Look at that. Look at this. Woo! Yeah! Look at this, guys. Isn't that awesome? So that's why I honk, because if somebody's coming, they will know there's a big ass truck coming in the front. Now I'm hitting 45, kind of dark, so. Well, guys, I'm going to the shop and deliver these parts, and the brand new parts are coming as well. The grill was freaking crazy expensive. I think it's a $300 piece. Grill alone is close to 500 or 600 bucks for both grills, so I'm gonna be spending some money on this. But anyway, this is Dave Pereira signing out. I see you guys on the pod, whatever it is when the pod comes. Alright, I'll see you guys later. See you again. Bye bye.